A very good morning, children. So today we are going to continue our exercise 3.2 starting with second Roman. So very easy problems. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon. So we all know that any polygon which is of equilateral, that means all the sides or the lengths of the sides are equal, and equiangular, if all the angles are equal, we call such polygons as regular polygons, isn't it? So in such polygons we have to find each of the exterior angles. Here we have to make a note before writing the solution. You already know this thing. That is the sum of, you please write this one into your CW after writing the question. The sum of all the exterior angles, the sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon. Here we don't worry about the sides. Of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Hope you are clear, children. This is applicable to any polygon of any sides. Okay. The sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Now let us check the first solution. They told it is having 9 sides. Okay. A polygon is having 9 sides, and we know that sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360. Okay. We have sum of all the exterior angles, because this thing is to be written for individual question. This is a note itself. Exterior angles of a polygon, exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Now they told that this specific polygon is having 9 sides. Okay. Therefore each exterior angle is equal to, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by number of sides. Number of sides is 9. Okay. So we will get 40 degrees. Hope you are clear, children. This is always fixed. The numerator 360 is going to be fixed when we see an exterior angle property. And the number of sides are 9. Hence we can say 360 by 9 is equal to 40 degrees is the first answer. Second one, they gave 15 sides. Okay, that means the polygon is carrying a total of 15 sides. We have to write the statement again. We have, being the individual questions, writing this thing is almost compulsory. All the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Therefore each exterior angle is equal to, therefore each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by 15. Okay, because the number of sides are 15. Let us cancel using 5 table. 5 3s are 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are. Okay, again 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 4s are 12. is equal to 24 degrees. Okay. Therefore, each angle measured when the polygon is of 15 sided is equal to 24 degrees and 9s is equal to 40 degrees. Likely we can find for the other polygons as well. Now let us move to the third one. Now the third question, children. This is just reverse of the second one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of the exterior angle is 24 degrees? Of an exterior angle means they are indicating one angle. That means one exterior angle of a regular polygon is 24 degrees. Then how many sides does that regular polygon contains? We need to find. Look, procedure is same for both sides and angles. Okay. Here they are asking sides. In the second question we found angles. Okay. Each angle. At that time what we did? We just divided 360 degree with number of sides. Isn't it? In the second question we divided 360 with number of sides. Here we want number of sides, so 360 divided by angle measure given. Okay. Each angle measure or simply angle measure. Hope you are clear, children. Procedure is same. Just divide with 360. Whether they ask each angle or the number of sides. If they ask sides, we will divide it with angle measure. If they ask each angle, we will divide it with number of sides. Okay. So, solution. Sum of all the exterior angles. This is quite common and it is needed to be written for every question of this type. Sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by each angle measure. Divided by each angle measure or divided by each angle. Both are okay. So 360 divided by, here what is the angle measure given? 24 degrees. So 24 degree. Therefore, okay, let us go with 6 table directly. 6 4s are, okay, 6 60s are. So 4 table, 4 1s are 4 50s. So that is equal to 50. Okay. So the conclusion, therefore, number of sides is equal to 50. Hope you are clear, children. Very easy problems. All we need to keep this in mind is sum of all the angles, exterior angles. Please be careful. Only exterior angles only will be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, what it will be the case when it is interior angles? For example, 5-sided polygon, 5 minus 2 into 180 degrees. If it is 10-sided polygon, 10 minus 2 into 180 degrees. Okay, I am here talking about interior angles. Here we have exterior angles is 360 irrespective of this side. When they ask for interior of sides n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Okay, hope you are clear with this, children. So tomorrow we will continue this exercise. Please copy the CW carefully into CW and I will notify the HW. So please do it accordingly. Have a great day.